A lot of homeowners invest serious money into a backyard only to realize months later that they barely use it. This isn't because it looks bad, it's just designed for a lifestyle they don't actually live. In this video, I'm breaking down how to design a backyard that actually works for how you live. The biggest mistake that we see is people designing a backyard for parties, but they only host those parties a few times a year. Before choosing features, you have to be honest about how the space will be used most of the time. For entertaining, focused backyards, your priority is flow. This means open layouts, outdoor kitchens, and clear pathways. These all matter because you're planning for groups of people moving through the space all at once. These types of designs are built for hosting and gathering and built around focal points where people naturally gravitate to. Everyday living backyards are designed differently. Here, the focus is comfort, simplicity, and the ease of use. Oftentimes, this is shaded seating areas, areas for quiet lounging, or spaces that feel good for one or two people. The best types of designs balance both. That usually means separating zones instead of making one space do everything. And also a private, relaxed section that you use daily. When the backyard has both, the layout feels intentional instead of overcrowded and underused. Lighting also plays a big role in how the backyard functions. Entertaining spaces benefit from layered lighting that sets a mood, while still allowing people to move comfortably through the space. Everyday living spaces need softer and more practical lighting. When you plan around your lifestyle, the space gets used more often, feels better to be in, and can actually hold its value long term. The goal is not to overbuild your backyard, it's to build one that you'll actually use. If you're planning your backyard and need help designing around how you actually live, this is exactly what we do at Evoscapes. For more videos on outdoor living and to see our projects, subscribe and follow along.